Today we're discussing an important topic, the complications of diabetes in children. Diabetes is not just a condition, it requires constant care and attention. First, let's imagine the impact of diabetes on a child's growth. If we don't take care of it properly, they may experience delays in physical and mental development, affecting their future. Next, consider eye health. Did you know that diabetes can cause vision problems? Diabetic retinopathy can lead to vision loss. Kidneys are also at risk. High sugar levels can damage the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney failure. Let's not forget the heart. Diabetes raises the likelihood of heart disease in the future, which is something we must take seriously. Finally, there's mental health. Children with diabetes may experience anxiety or depression, requiring our support. So, let's make sure to monitor blood sugar levels and focus on comprehensive health care. Together, we can protect our children and ensure a better future for them. Thank you.